So here we're going to hook up the back of the fridge. We're going to put the two screws, do up the propane connection, spray it with leak detector spray. You can use soap and water. I like to use a leak detector spray. Then you're going to plug in the 110 volt, go inside and test your fridge. Come in here, turn the light on. I'm just going to throw it on auto, it was on gas. No bulb in here, otherwise the light would be on. Here's our thermistor bracket. So we're going to shove our thermistor in there. That's going to slip onto our fins. Again, that's what's going to be actually controlling the temperature. That's what tells the fridge to shut off. That's our condensation drip tray. So the drain, obviously, make sure it's lined up to the cup. So there you have it. That's a cooling unit replacement on a very popular fridge, the RM2652. If you guys like this video and want me to do more videos like this, please make a comment, and yeah, we'll try to do as many videos as we can. Thanks.